Hello friends, welcome to your channel Market Update. I hope you and your family are doing great during this pandemic. So today we are going to discuss on IEX and Coal India. These two shares are definitely a game changer for you, and they will on upcoming time for a long term period. Definitely these shares will rock you up. So reason behind this, because these shares are related to the energy field. Coal India deals with coal and IEX deals with energy action. So on upcoming time, definitely we know the scarcity of this coal. Definitely these share will rise above. So stay tuned with this video, and if you are new to my channel, please support me, like, share, and subscribe this channel so that I can bring genuine news directly to you. So let's start with Coal India. We know that Coal India deals with coal, and coal is a natural resource which is about to be an end in India. So that's why this kind of share, like we all know that if natural resources is started to get an end, their prices will start to raise. So this happens with the Coal India as well. Within one day, 4.54. Within a week, we can see a negative impact of minus 2.10. But in a week, within a month, we can see a return of 26.01%. And within a year, this has given a good return of 66.48. Why Coal India is recommended right now? Just because, like, it is related to natural resource. On our upcoming time, these resources will start to get an end, and at that moment of time these shares will show you a high surge in the market. 4 points to consider Coal India right now. So first point is, when it compares to FD rate, this share has a good return in comparison to FD. Second point, there is no red flag, means to say the company is not listed in ASM or GSM list. Third point, that is right now this share is in a position where you can make an entry as well, because there is no red flag. This share is not in overbought zone. And fourth point is, when it comes to dividend, this share is good with dividend. And let's talk on the key matrices. We can clearly notice one thing. As per the sector, this share is still cheap. Dividend is really good. And 72% of the analysts are still suggesting you can buy this share. And just because the performance of this share we are seeing from the last 1 year, definitely we can consider this share for a long term period. And the another factor that needed to be reconsidered, like needed to be checked before making any kind of investment with the Coal India, the performance of this share from 2018 to 2021, we can clearly notice one thing, that as per the revenue, the profit starts to increase and it is consistent. That's why this share is recommended, and 72% analysts are bullish on this share. So we all know that because of this news, we can, if you go wish to go, you can go ahead with a short term or a long term period. You will have a good return, even if you consider it for a short term or a long term, because anyhow the news that is available in the market related to the coal scarcity going to impact this share. So I hope you will do some market research and understand these terms. And let's move on to our next share, which is IEX. So let's talk on IEX, Indian Energy Exchange. This is a share. If you go for a long term, then definitely I will suggest, like, you can go for a long term and you will book a good return, because this company deals with energy exchange. And talking about the returns, we can see on today's 12.9% of momentum, within week 15.58, within a month 19.40, within a year 266.26%, and maximum this share has given 327.16%. Why I am recommending this share? Because since this share is listed in the market, till now this share never shows us any momentum of downward movement. At this momentum of time, this share reached to its overbought zone, but if you have a vision for a long term, then definitely you can go. It may be possible within 2 or 3 days we may see some sort of market correction with this share, but if you have a vision for a long term, then definitely this share will achieve more and will give you a good return. So if you wish to wait, you can wait till the market correction, but at last I would suggest, please go ahead with your market with your financial advisor. They will definitely suggest you for this share, and maybe they will ask you to wait for 2 or 3 more days till the market correction happening. Next we have key matrices. When we compare to its sector, we can clearly notice one thing, that this share is way higher valuable than its sector. But the reason behind this, because this share is a unique, it's kind of monopoly creating company, and definitely we all know that all the monopoly related companies are gaining more. And the best example for this I will show you with IRCTC. We had seen the IRCTC, the performance of IRCTC from 600 to 5,000. This share has reached to there. That's how this share is also performing. So it's a kind of monopoly share. You can bet on this, and still like 50% of the analysts are bullish on this share. And another an important key factor for this share to be considered, its financial trend from 2018 to 2021. We notice one thing, that when it compares to its revenue and profit, we can notice one thing, that revenue and profit both are increasing consistently, and the share is giving a good profit when it comes to return. So I would recommend at the last, please go ahead with your financial advisor and you do some market research. And I would suggest, like, everyone is looking for the market, that so that they can play some sort of gambling game. But I would recommend this share, because anyhow on upcoming time this share will have these scarcities available in the market, and they will take the advantage of these scarcity, and their prices will start to raise again. So at this with this I would like to finish this video, and if you have any suggestions, please feel free to let me know. Please support me, like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.